Do you want to create anime style photo like Ghibli and all? In this video, we will tell you how to do it. Welcome to Izoate. To create image like this, you have to use ChatGPT and Gemini AI. We will use ChatGPT AI to generate prompt for image styled as anime. Let's write one, let's generating one. Copy it and paste it in Gemini AI. Wait for the results. Here it is. Also, you can add things in photos. To do so, give the command specifying your need to ChatGPT. It will give you prompt. Again give it to Gemini AI. It will update. You can also add objects or things. Let's add a monster in AI image. Again with update AI prompt. Also you can write in within Gemini to do specific update in the images. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe us.